So now I have the tree completely built. I'm just gonna go, oh, tripped on a bauble. I'm gonna go ahead and look at all the ornaments and try and figure out what will look good. I'm not gonna lie, this tree is so cute. Oh, I need some light. Okay, this tree is so cute on its own. So I'm like, so I don't even want to put anything on it. But I brought a bunch of different, and I just took it out everywhere. I'm just a mess. Brought a bunch of different cute baubles. So I'm gonna try just like scatter them on the tree. This is so fun. I love doing this. I can't believe I have my own Christmas tree. Oh, the balls have gone everywhere. Okay, I need to just get the balls, put them back in the basket, and figure this out. So I brought these from Tesco, £1.50 each, like leaves with glitter on them. When I tell you I brought every single one, like I literally bought the whole stand. All you have to do is like space them out, and you can just like insert them in your tree, into the bit of the tree that feels like it needs a little bit more stuff in.
2,000 years later.